Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my closet and making it look a little bit presentable because as you guys can see in the back, this is what my closet looks like. Not really doing the best. I just want to point out my braids don't have anything at the end. I just kind of like braided my hair because it was being crusty. So if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe right down below and let's just hop right in the video. Okay, so I think that step one of this video would be to clean my room first because I'm going to be taking everything out of my closet and just shoving it in various places throughout my room while I'm organizing it, if that makes sense. So let's go do that. Also, my outfit's really cute right now. I should probably change that. Okay, so my room is pretty much clean for the most part. So now I'm just gonna like get started. What I'm gonna do first is take everything out of my closet and like organize it. So short sleeve tops, tank tops, etc. So we're just gonna do that. Okay, so I took everything off of my top row except for like spring clothes because what I'm planning to do is in the process of like cleaning my closet, I also want to like swap my clothes because currently on the bottom is like summer and spring clothes and on the top is like winter clothes. So I'm going to switch that so that like spring's on top, winter on bottom. So right now pretty much all of my clothes are out here on my bed. These are all my winter clothes. This whole pile is like jackets and like weird stuff, and on the floor are my dresses and like more formal clothing. This braid's not working. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, so up here is all the spring clothes that used to be down here. Oh, it's so pretty. I love spring clothes. Okay, so I'm going to put all my winter clothes back. Oh my god, I forgot this whole section. Just kidding. We'll be back in a sec. Okay, now this is my spring clothes collection as of now. Why am I like holding on? I don't know. Now I'm going to go on my bed and bring in those other clothes. I think that all of my winter clothes are down there now, so I'm going to start moving on to that extra rack over there, which typically just holds like clothes I'm trying to sell on Poshmark as well as like some extra stuff that just doesn't find its home. So I think I'm going to start by putting my jackets and vests there. Also, I'm trying to make plans like at the same time as I'm filming this video, so I'm a little scattered. Wait, just kidding. I'm going to not do that right now because I need to organize my shoes. So we're just gonna like take everything out of this section. So this is what we're working with right now. So I'm just gonna clear everything out and then start from scratch, I guess. Okay, my plans are made. I need to get ready. I just got changed and I have like a little bit of time before my plans. I'm literally just getting acai bowls. I'm just gonna keep organizing my shoes for like 5 more minutes and then I'm gonna like get ready to go. My shoes are now all organized, so now I can start loading the stuff that goes up here, back up. This dress I'm throwing out. It's kind of like been in my closet since birth. I think it's from my sister when my mom got married, but like I don't really know. I'm just gonna like dispose of this. Okay guys, so I'm back from getting acai bowls and also shoving my face with food, but it's okay. I have a few more things left to put in my closet regarding tops in my room. It is an actual mess. A lot of this stuff is just like stuff that I don't know what to do with, such as like old uniforms, like things I'm trying to sell on Poshmark. It's really hard to like know what to do with that because like I don't know where to put it and I don't have any like, oh, wait. I just thought of an idea. I think I can put the stuff that I want to sell on Poshmark in my sister's closet because my sister's currently in college. Dub. I can put stuff in here. So my next little task is going to be, I want to take down all of that stuff and all of that stuff and like figure out how to organize it efficiently because it is not thriving. kind of stressed because my room's an actual mess right now, so I'm just gonna like do some stuff and then I'll like come back and film because I'm stressed that I'm filming and like try and make the video good and clean at the same time. Can we just take a minute to appreciate my 7th grade room decor choices? Wow, so cute, so Pinteresty Tumblr aesthetic. I really just love it. Alright ladies, my closet is slowly getting more organized, but now I just have to organize the middle section and then we are done. I just have to take everything out and put it in. We live and we lie and we fall and we fly. Okay, my closet is so close to being done. I just have a few more things left to do. So right here is my basket bin crate of just bathing suits and stuff. So I'm gonna go through and separate number 1 bathing suits that I want to keep and what I don't want to keep, and then also I'm gonna put 1 bin full of one pieces and 1 bin full of bikinis. Let's all enjoy this view. Let it be. Let it be. Okay guys, so my closet is finally done. I'm so excited to show you guys because my closet has not been this organized in a hot minute, so I just want to go through and give you guys a quick little tour of what my closet now looks like. So I'm sorry that the lighting is super yellow and the walls are yellow, so that just makes it worse. But here are my short sleeve tops. So the way that I have this organized is by tank top, off the shoulder top, short sleeve top, and then I repeat that same little pattern for each color. I will still have to reach for these things pretty often because it is still pretty cold out. So this is just organized by color, no specific organization method. It's just like that. So here I just have all of my belts. Oh my God, did I really just knock all those down? I love life. Whether they're for softball or for regular life, I just have all of my belts there and that's where they stay. Now we move on to the main part of my closet. So on the top in that bin, I just have like bras, sports bras, bralettes, etc. Next to that, I have all of my softball pants. So these are mainly the ones that are for my club team. So they say like my club logo on it, I guess. Then below there, I have all of my shorts because it's almost summer. Not yet, but like kind of, no, not really. Here I have my soft shorts. Once I get here, this moves into skirts. So these are all my denim skirts. Below that is my softball pants. All of these have my club logo except for this one, but I couldn't fit them on the top shelf. So they're just chilling here, and this also needed something to help these stand up. So here I have all of my jeans. Below that shelf, I have my leggings. So here is all of my colored leggings, either from Lululemon, TJ Maxx, or Fabletics, or Old Navy even. And then you pan over, and here's where I keep my Lulu leggings. So I have about 3 or 4 pairs of black Lululemon leggings, so I just usually keep them here. But I'm currently washing my darks, so they're all pretty much in the wash. And then this little thing I got from Aerie for free. It's just like a little scent thing. It just makes your clothes smell good, I guess. And then below that, I have my Nike shorts. So I just have all different colors. They're just Nike running shorts or Under Armour or Champion. I just call them Nike shorts, I don't know. And then below there, I have my bathing suits in these 2 bins. So in here is just my bikini. This one is a little more less organized. So it has a hat that I got from my co-worker, I don't know what you call them, people that work with me. I have my bag that came with my triangle bikini. Below that, I have a box of pads and then a bag of stuff for periods. And then under that is my one pieces. And then here is my dirty clothes. Next to that is my shoes, and I have a few trophies back there just because they're just chilling there. So here are all of my shoes. I can do a shoe collection, update it if you guys want. Most of my shoes are downstairs. I'll take up the entire laundry room with my shoes. Sorry, not sorry to my family, but that's just kind of how it works. And then when you come up, I have this little rack, which has always just been kind of like random stuff, and it still is. And behind that, I actually figured out, it's so smart, if you just hang up a backpack. So I decided to just hang it up, and it works so much better because you can just condense it. On these hooks over here, I did not touch one thing. This says my sister's name because this was originally my sister's room, but we ended up switching. So I just have a little robe that I wear every single night. And not trying to flex, but like my hangers are pretty organized. Moving on to the last part of my closet, up here, jewelry organizer. That holds yearbooks, that's some more yearbooks. This holds craft supplies, DIYs, LOL, gang, gang, gang. Travel bag, beach bag, backpack, photos from photography class, blankets, and string for friendship bracelets, summer vibes. So that is actually it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed a little just like organization videos like this, let me know because I'd love to do plenty more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below if you're new. Comment down below your favorite part of my closet. And love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.